guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Prestige Beauty, and this is a day 2 of my birthday saga. Yes, if you guys are new here, I am doing a full month of November, of my birthday month, that every single day, Monday to Friday, I will be posting a video of different look for the whole entire month of November. As you guys heard in my yesterday video, that November is very special to me. My mother, my sister, my brothers, and me all born in November. If you did not watch yesterday's video, go ahead after this video and watch it. But yes, this is day number 2 of my birthday saga, and I came up with this nice kind of like smoky purple look, and I'm loving this. I'm really loving this. It looks so pretty on me, and I want to show you guys exactly how I got this from start to finish. So before we get into this video, don't forget to hit that red subscribe button down below and turn on that bell right next to the subscribe button so you can get notified from me every time I do upload. And yeah, I'm so excited to show you guys how I got this look. And as I had said, this is day number 2, and yeah, let's jump into this video. Okay guys, so as you guys know, the eyebrow is already on. Nothing new here, same old. I don't need to come on camera showing you how I do my eyebrow. It's, trust me, it takes forever to get my eyebrow looking like this. Okay, so what I use to clean up my eyebrow is the MAC concealer. This is what I always use, and then I'm going to take it all the way down to my eyelid. And then I'm going to take my patrickstarr powder just to set. Okay guys, so now that the eyes is already primed and ready for colors, I'm going to go into the Jaklyn Hill palette with Morphy. This is the Vault collection. I did a review on the first one, didn't like it, but I did swatch a couple of them, and I don't know how it is on my eyelids, so today I'm going to test it out. I want to do a purple, smoky purple look today. I want to do that, so I'm going to go into the Jaklyn Hill palette with Morphy. This one is called Bling Boss. And for my first, what am I going to do? For my transition shade, I'm going to go into Spark, which is this one right here. I'm going to take it onto a brush, and I'm going to pat it right here first, just to get some colors. And this will be my transition shade. So I hope you guys are loving this series right now. I think I'm gonna call this the birthday saga. I just came up with that name today. I'm like, okay, it's the whole month of November I'm doing this, so what should I call this? Because this is gonna be like a thing for me. So I want to call it like my birthday saga or something. I don't know, but I hope you guys are loving this. And yeah, for all my newcomers and subscribers, hello, how are you? Make sure you turn on that bell next to the subscribe button, because you won't get notified. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and just blend it in. And this color is really nice. This is a really nice color. So next I'm gonna go into Mystic right here, and I'm gonna put it onto a smaller brush, and I'm gonna focus this one right into the crease. It's really pigmented. This one is really pigmented. The first one that I tried, it was a hot mess, but this one is really pigmented. So I'm just, by the way, it do have a lot of fallout, FYI. So I don't really care about fallout, to be honest. But if you do hate fallout, out and you want to buy this Jaklyn Hill Morphy Vault palette, just prepare for fallout. So I'm focusing it right into the crease. I'm not going to bring it all the way in here though, as you can see. I'm just going to stop it right here, and I'm going to kind of wing it out just a little bit, and then I'm going to go back into the first color and just to blend out the harsh lines on top. There you go. This is the Morphe 3502 palette, and I'm gonna take a really kind of color similar to my shade, and I'm just gonna blend up top because it looked kind of weird right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and just fix up right here, right underneath the brow bone. It's looking good so far, but don't worry, in the end it will look really good. Alright, so what am I gonna do next? I don't know what color, but as I said, I want a purple smoky eye. So first, wow, oh my god. Alright, so first I'm gonna go into Rockstar, and after Rockstar, I don't know. I really don't know. I'm just weighing it out right now. So I'm gonna take Rockstar and I'm gonna put it onto this brush, and this is a matte shade, and I'm gonna take it right all over my eyelid. So now I'm gonna go into Berry Treasure. This is really kind of purple. You know, it's very transition. Like when you move it, it look black. When you turn it the other way, it's purple, as you can see it right here. It's really pretty. And I'm gonna take that onto another brush, and I'm gonna wet it, spray it with my Mario Badescu setting spray. And I'm gonna try first with the brush just to see how it turned out. If not, I'm gonna use my fingers. And I'm gonna put it right on top of that purple that I put. Oh wow, this is pretty. This is really pretty. Let me try with my fingers just to see how it will look. This is it right here. Not bad at all. This is nice. I like this one. I really do. Yeah, this is giving me life. Okay, so next I'm going to go back into Rockstar, and I'm going to go ahead and bring it up top so that I could, you know, blend out the harsh lines, because yeah, you don't want that. So just blend it. I really do think I want a shimmery purple on my lid, because right now it's looking nice, but I don't know, the shimmer on there is not showing much onto my lid. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I can. So I don't know what palette I should go into to get a purple shimmery color. I really don't know. I'm looking. Okay, so I'm gonna take the Morphe, and this is purple. This is purple. So I'm gonna take it. I'm gonna take that purple, and I'm gonna put it onto the lid. Okay, so next I'm gonna go into my NYX Bling liner, and should I do a wing? Yes, I'm gonna do a wing today. Okay guys, so I did a little tweezing. I went back onto my brush and I sprayed with my Mario Badescu spray, and I take it and I use the shade that I take earlier just to get the brighter purple. So that's what I did. So yeah, so now it's almost done. It's not done yet. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side off camera, and I'm gonna put on my lashes and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so now that the eyes is almost like 95% done, I gotta do underneath. I'm gonna go ahead and just brush off those fallouts, and then I'm gonna go ahead and moisturize and prime. For moisturizer, okay, so yeah, which one should I take? Okay, so for moisturizer, I'm gonna take my Mercex, and I'm gonna moisturize my face. I did talk about this, guys, in my previous video, that my facial lady gave this to me. Well, not gave it, I bought it, and she said this is good for dry skin, and it is really good. I have this for like 5 months now, and it's so thick. I don't know if you can see it on camera, but it's so thick. This is Biocell Rejuvenating Cream, and I love it so much. It feels so good on my skin. Oh my god, it feels really good. I look shiny right now, but it will definitely soak into my skin, right? So next, I'm gonna go ahead and take my longtime favorite, which is the LA Girl Pro High Definition Smoothing Primer. And this one is almost finished, but I got another one. And I'm gonna go ahead and just put it right here. I do have dry skin, but I hardly use primer, so I don't know what happened today. Today I feel like using primer, and I'm gonna put it onto my smile line because I have crazy smile lines. Really shiny right now, but it's gonna look really good because I have dry skin, so I have to like really do an extra moisturize. So next, I want to do something extra. I'm gonna use my MAC Sorb Cream Illuminating, and this is very, when you put it onto your skin, it just make it very glowy from within. You can see, look at that. It looks so good onto my skin. I'm just gonna put a little bit, not too much, because it's really glowy. Look at that. So for foundation, I want to go into the Kat Von D Lock-It Foundation. I'm in the shade Deep 78 Neutral. Shake it up very well. And I'm gonna pump some right here. And then I'm gonna use my damp beauty blender and just blend it in. I love this. Okay, so now because the eyes are so dark and dramatic, I have to go in with a little teeny bit a lighter concealer underneath my eyes, because you don't want your under eyes to be just blah, you know. No, the reason why I'm doing this is because my eyes are so dramatic. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take 2 concealers. Both of them is from Tarte. One of them is Deep and the other one is Tan Sand. First, I'm gonna take Deep. And then I'm gonna go into Tan Sand and just bring it only under the bottom of my eyes, just right here. I'm gonna put a little bit, that's it, because this is very thick, very thick. And I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna use the same beauty blender and blend it out. First, I'm gonna go ahead and spray a little bit of Mario Badescu, and then I'm gonna blend it out. Okay, so you see how it looks a little bit lighter? All right, so now I'm gonna go into my Mercier Translucent, and this mini one is almost finished. So I gotta go to Sephora, and I'm gonna go ahead and put it right underneath my eyes. And I'm gonna take this brush right here. It's so pretty. I just started using this brush the other day, and I really like it. And I'm not baking. I'm only gonna put it right underneath the eyes. And I put it right here just for the smile line to not like crease upon me as soon as I finish my makeup. So that's the reason why I put it right there. I'm gonna start like looking like this, right? I could. I know I could, right? Yeah. All right, so quickly I'm gonna contour my face. Oh God, if I could open this. This is the NYX that I told you I love the other day. Okay guys, so next I'm gonna go ahead and use my MAC Studio Finishing Powder in NW45, and I'm gonna go ahead and use this all over my face. Okay, my face is looking mighty dry with all these powder, but I'm almost done. I'm gonna go back into the Jaklyn Hill palette, and I'm gonna do underneath my eyes the same color. So I'm gonna go ahead and speed this process up. Okay guys, so next I'm gonna go into my Anastasia blush trio in Cocktail Party, and I'm gonna take these two pink right here and do a little bit of blush. I love this blush palette so much, and you guys know I hate blush, but this is giving me a life. Now I'm gonna take my Kilowatt from Fenty. This one is in Girl Next Door and Cheek Freak. Haven't used this in a long time. I'm gonna put it onto this brush, and I'm gonna go ahead and put it right here. It is so pretty, so pretty. It's really nice. I love this so much. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna go ahead and spray my face with my Glam Glow. Ooh, ooh, that feels so good. Oh, I did miss one step. Oh my God, I cannot believe I missed this step. I will be so mad. Okay, so I'm gonna go back into the Fenty, and I'm gonna take it right into the waterline, or whatever you call this. How can I forget this? Oh my God. Oh my God. And I'm also gonna go ahead, I need a clean brush. I'm gonna go ahead and put it right underneath the brow bone. Okay guys, so next I'm going to go into the patrickstarr lip liner in Mohogony, and this one is from Lena Cosmetic, and this one is in Squad Gold. Squad Goals. And I'm going to go ahead and do my lips. Okay, so I'm also going to go over it with my Fenty. This is almost done, and I'm going to take it right onto my hand because I don't want it to mess up, and I'm going to pack it right onto the lips. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed this birthday saga day number 2 makeup tutorial. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on your bell before you go, and leave a comment. Let me know what you think about this whole entire smoky purple eye. I am loving this, and I hope you guys love it the same way as I do, and I will see you tomorrow in day number 3. Bye guys.